Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for DTC B2087, which stands for Right Power Sliding Door Ratchet Switch Circuit Open, specifically tailored for the Honda Odyssey model years 2011 to 2017. This error code indicates an issue within the circuit connected to the ratchet switch of the right power sliding door. It's crucial to understand that the power sliding door ratchet switch plays an essential role in the vehicle's automatic door operation system. Located in the right sliding door, this switch facilitates the door's opening and closing functions through an electrical signal to the power sliding door control unit. If this circuit experiences an open condition, it can lead to door malfunction, rendering it either unresponsive or inoperable. This guide will provide a structured troubleshooting approach to help identify and resolve the issue effectively. The error DTC B2087 pertains to the right power sliding door ratchet switch circuit and primarily involves two critical components: the power sliding door control unit and the right power sliding door rear latch. The power sliding door control unit serves as the brain of the sliding door system, managing the opening and closing functionalities based on inputs from various components, including the ratchet switch. The right power sliding door rear latch is pivotal for securing the door in both the open and closed positions. Both components are situated within the right sliding door, making their accessibility crucial for effective troubleshooting. Any fault within this circuit, such as an open condition, can directly impact the door's operational reliability, leading to inconvenience and safety concerns. There are several potential causes for the DTC B2087 error code. Firstly, an open circuit in the wiring is a common culprit, which may involve damaged, frayed, or disconnected wires, disrupting the electrical connection. Secondly, a faulty power sliding door control unit could lead to system failures, as it's responsible for interpreting signals from input devices like the ratchet switch. Finally, the rear latch switch itself may be defective, preventing it from sending the correct status to the control unit. Identifying the specific cause is crucial for effective repair, as it leads to targeted interventions rather than trial and error methods that can be time-consuming and inefficient. When DTC B2087 is triggered, various symptoms may manifest in your Honda Odyssey. The most immediate symptom is that the power sliding door becomes inoperable, meaning it may not function at all when commanded to open or close through either the internal switches or remote control. Additionally, the door may completely refuse to respond to any commands, creating significant inconvenience for the users. Most importantly, the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System will illuminate the DTC B2087 on the display, indicating an issue that requires immediate attention. Recognizing these symptoms can lead to swift diagnosis and repair, ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2087 involves clearing any diagnostic trouble codes with the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System. This process is crucial as it resets the system and allows for a fresh assessment of the vehicle's electronic systems. After clearing the codes, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical systems. Once reset, turn the power sliding door main switch on and close the right power sliding door. After this, open the door using the power sliding door switch. Using the HDS again, check for any stored DTCs. If DTC B2087 appears, it confirms that the issue persists and requires further investigation. If the code does not reappear, it may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that connections may be loose or there are poor wiring conditions warranting a visual inspection. Following the first troubleshooting step, If DTC B2087 is confirmed, the next step involves utilizing the HDS to access specific data related to the power sliding door system. With the door still open, select Power Sliding Door from the HDS menu and navigate to the data list. This section provides real-time information about the operational status of various components. You will need to check the on-off indicator for the right power slide door ratchet switch. If the information displayed indicates that the switch is on, this suggests that the ratchet switch is functional, pointing to a potential fault in the control unit itself. Conversely, if the indicator is off, it directs you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step to locate the source of the issue. In the third step of our troubleshooting process, you need to turn the ignition switch back to the lock position, ensuring the electrical systems are safely powered down. The next action requires disconnecting the right power sliding door control unit connector A, which consists of 12 pins, specifically to isolate the control unit from the circuit for further inspection. This is crucial, as it prevents any feedback while performing continuity checks. Following that, disconnect the right power sliding door rear latch connector B, which has 6 pins. By isolating these components, you're preparing to check the integrity of the wiring between the control unit and rear latch, a key step in diagnosing any connection issues that could lead to DTC B2087 being set. The fourth step involves a critical continuity check between the connectors of the right power sliding door control unit and the rear latch. You need to measure continuity between right power sliding door control unit connector A terminal number 12 and the right power sliding door rear latch connector B terminal number 4. This is performed using a multimeter set to continuity mode. If you find continuity, it indicates that the wiring between these components is intact, which suggests that the issue lies within the rear latch itself, necessitating its replacement. If continuity is absent, it points to a potential open circuit or high resistance in the wiring, requiring repairs to restore proper connectivity. This step is essential in identifying whether the problem is related to the switch, the control unit, or the wiring itself. Upon completing the necessary repairs based on the diagnosed issue, it's imperative to carry out final repair verification to confirm that the problem is resolved. Start by rechecking all connections between the control unit and the rear latch to ensure that everything is securely fastened and correctly connected. After verifying the connections, test the functionality of the power sliding door to ensure it opens and closes smoothly and responds correctly to the operating switches. Once you are satisfied with the door's performance, proceed to clear any DTCs using the HDS. This final step not only ensures that the error code does not reappear, but also helps in validating that the repairs made have effectively resolved the issue. The preventive maintenance is a critical aspect of keeping the power sliding door system functioning smoothly over time. One of the first steps is conducting regular inspections of all electrical connectors associated with the power sliding door. Ensuring that these connections are not corroded, loose, or dirty can help prevent future connectivity issues that might trigger diagnostic trouble codes like B2087. Additionally, regularly lubricating the mechanical parts of the sliding door can minimize wear and tear, allowing for a smoother operation. Periodically clearing the DTCs and checking the system can help catch potential problems before they escalate. By maintaining these practices, you can ensure the longevity and reliability of the power sliding door system in your Honda Odyssey. In conclusion, understanding DTC B2087 and its implications is essential for ensuring your Honda Odyssey operates safely and effectively. By following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined in this guide, you can accurately identify the source of the issue, whether it be in the wiring, control unit, or the latch itself. Implementing the recommended preventive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of future door malfunctions. The systematic approach taken here not only enhances your technical skills, but also ensures that repairs are effective and that your vehicle remains a reliable means of transportation. Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of the power sliding door system, ultimately leading to greater satisfaction and safety for you and your passengers. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.